Well, we got the ProVap 110 in today. This is how it comes in this box like this. I just got it. Came UPS. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see what's in here. It's packing. You got your measuring spoon. Here's the ProVap right here. Got your controller. Place where you put the oxalic acid. And then these are the little caps. So you dump your oxalic acid in this little cap, and you have this heated up. Put it down like that. Flip it over, and then the gas comes out this little nozzle here. And we'll be doing a video to show you how to apply it to your bees to knock the mites back. We're going to get a little more serious this year about knocking mites back. We lost quite a few hives this winter, and it's time to get serious about mites. Get 2 of these in this box. These are plastic. They have a little seal on them, and some instructions. That's what you get. This was $499. I got it from Man Lake. There's quite a few other places that sell it. You can also get it from the Oxvap people themselves. Right here is the, if you go to their website, oxavap.com, they got some pretty good research papers on their site. I went and read them about mite control, some of the studies that were done in Europe, and some other information about oxalic acid and different ways to apply it. So if you're interested in that, I think you should read those papers. All right, that's it for now.